मायूं साहब फरमाइए, क्या सवाल करेंगे?
सर मेरा हेयर लॉस का ही मसला है। मेरी एज अभी तो 27 है, बट मेरे जो हेयर लॉस तकरीबन हो चुका था वो 23 की एज में हो गया था।
तो अब कितने
तो
बाल
अभी
बचे
जो
हैं आपके
कंडीशन है,
सर पर?
अभी सर जो आपकी कंडीशन है वही सेम मेरी कंडीशन है।
ठीक है।
तो बन जाता है ना,
ठीक है।
आपकी तरह ही बाल है। बुरा लगता है भाई, आप लोग भी जानते हो, दिल से लगता है भाई, आप समझ ही सकते हो। प्लीज भाई, मैं भाई समझ के बोल। Good morning friends, today I will teach you how to cure a premature graying. Today I will teach you how to cure premature graying and whitening of hairs. Friends, let's talk about the reasons of premature graying of hairs. First reason is uh, deficiency of vitamin and minerals. Second reason is genes, genetic from parents. Third reason is oxidative stress. So I will tell you how to cure premature graying of hairs. Okay, for I think in a 90% problem that premature graying is caused due to oxidative stress. A person is suffering from too much depression, that will lead to oxidative stress and that will cause premature graying of hair. Oxidative stress will cause production of more hydrogen peroxide inside the body of human. So we have to counter the hydrogen peroxide if we want to stop premature graying. For countering hydrogen peroxide, there are two ways. One way is to consume the supplements of vitamin A and vitamin E up to 20 mg, not more than 20 mg daily. And the second reason is increase the production of antioxidant known as glutamine. There is one way to increase the production of antioxidant known as glutamine. Glutamine is a natural antioxidant, but you can increase the production of glutamine through the supplements of cysteine. Cysteine is an amino acid, so you can take the multivitamin having a cysteine, so it will be helpful in the production of glutamine. Okay, so and you can take a supplements of vitamin E with that. So okay, and the second way to cure the premature graying is to eat a food rich in copper. Eat the food rich in copper and take a supplement with the copper, having copper. Copper increase the production of melanin. As you know, melanin is the reason for coloring of hair. So copper increase the production of melanin. If the production of melanin will increase, then the hair darkening effect will take place. So increase the consumption of copper in your diet. Okay friends, you can consume cashews or you can take a supplements of copper. Okay, with the copper you can take zinc, and with that, and just include little bit iodine supplements in your diet. If you take a multivitamin, it include all copper, vitamin E, including iodine. The low, the deficiency, some scientific studies say that if a person is suffering from some problem in thyroid gland, that will also cause premature graying. So take the supplements of iodine. Okay, so friends, these are way to cure a premature graying. I am telling you scientific way.